Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add an email on Telegram. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on privacy and security. And after this, you can just simply see the option two-step verification. And here you can just simply tap on set additional password. First you can set your additional password. And after this you can now tap on create password. And here you can just simply add a hint or you can skip this setting. And after this you can add the recovery email on Telegram. And it is a way you can add an email on Telegram. And the second way is you can just simply tap on login email. You can tap on change email. You can just simply change your email for your Telegram codes, and this is the way you can add email on Telegram. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.